Everyone, Jake's Aviation here, and today going to be doing another model unboxing. This time, I'll be honest, I'm not exactly sure which model this is in here. I think it's a model. It's a model that must have been ordered a long time ago. I don't know what model that would be. I know I have a couple on pre-order from or on order from Easy Toys, but this does not. I don't think this is from Easy Toys. So I'm really not sure what this is going to be, but let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, so we got some cardboard. It looks like the model's right here, actually. Okay, that's cool. Get this out of here. Oh, it's a big box. Oh, it's a heavy. Oh, okay. Don't think there's anything else down in this box. Oh, okay. Okay, well, this is a surprise, I'll tell you that much. Oh, okay. Oh, would you look at that, guys? Oh, that's what it is. So, it is the oh boy, which one is it? Ah, okay, the Kalitta Air with the DHL and the hybrid 777 freighter. I don't think I've seen a review of this on YouTube yet, and I honestly forgot about this model. I ordered this from, so this came in from, let me see, I think this came in from, this must have come from Waffle Collectibles then, because I ordered it from them a long time ago, and I thought I canceled this because it never came, or it was like I didn't get it. So I didn't think they were actually going to get this model in stock and actually send it to me. But here it is, though. It just came in the mail. Well, that's awesome. So this is by JC Wings. They have a pretty good mold and they do some pretty good models. So this is the box. So obviously they have the Southern Air variant and the Kalitta Air. This is the Kalitta Air variant. I did not get the Southern Air variant and whatnot. But here's the box. So as you can see, it's ticked out here, 772 Charlie Kilo for the Kalitta Air one. In the back, just some facts about it here, which is pretty cool. And the JC Wings logo and whatnot. So yeah, that's the box, guys. But overall, let's go ahead and check this model out. I'm super excited for this. This is my first Kalitta Air model. I didn't get the 767-200. Oh, it looks amazing. Oh, that looks awesome, guys. It doesn't look broken at all, which is awesome. Looks really nice. Alright. And I don't have a whole lot of cargo 777s, so that's also a bonus. Nor do I have a lot of JC Wings models, so, you know, another good brand that doesn't necessarily get a whole lot of recognition out there, because the most popular brands are obviously Gemini Jets, NG now, Phoenix, but JC Wings has some really good models. I have a couple now, I think. But let's take this out of the box. Wow, this looks fantastic, guys. I'll go ahead and put it on there. This looks stunning. I know it's just a simple cargo 777, but can't go wrong with this, honestly. Actually, hold up. I'm sorry, forgive me, guys. It's better that lighting. There we go. All right. So here we have it, the Kalitta Air 777 Raider. This looks amazing, so I'm gonna just readjust the camera right here and let's get into this. Beautiful model by JC Wings, I have to say. I'm impressed. All right, so start here at the nose. So as you can see, it reads Boeing 777F, and it has 772 on the little on the gear door. Gotta say the cockpit detail is pretty damn good. Very nice, is high quality. Looks great. Got the wipers there and everything. Door, great detail on the door and all the little markings and everything. Looks absolutely fantastic. All these little markings here and there. I'm not exactly sure what they are for. You can see the beacon marking there, antennas. Looks really nice. And then you have the Kalitta Air logo on this side. The gear, the front gear, nose gear looks fine. I'm quite happy with that. Let's move along. It's very plain, very plain white engines. G90s look really good. Nice detail in there. Those fan blades look fantastic, and you can see like a little gap through, which is pretty cool. Those are some good G90s. And the wing, moving on. Nothing fancy about the wing, obviously. But the wingtip. Oh, focus? No. Okay. It's not gonna focus, but it's okay. The wing looks good. Got the details there, the lights, the gear. I'll show you underneath, but those gear, it is rolling landing gear, which is really nice. And then you have the cargo door, the main deck cargo door here at the back, and the registration, as I said, November 772 Charlie Kilo. And the DHL now, the hybrid, obviously. Not sure, there must be some partnership with the DHL group on Kalitta Air, as well as with Southern Air, the other version. But then you just have a plain yellow tail. But at least this model is not fully white. At least there's some yellow. You know, you got the DHL titles and the Kalitta Air, the black, whatnot. But looks really good. Great detail here at the back now. Same with the antennas. Got a little Wi-Fi dome thing, which is kind of interesting. I didn't think the real aircraft would have something like that, or the SATCOM, I guess, would be what it is. But maybe it does. I'll have to go and double check. Yeah, so overall, this side looks really nice. We're just gonna spin it around now. The back looks good. The APU exhaust area. This side, you just have the registration, and you have the cargo doors for the lower deck, the little baggage compartment, and then the cargo door on this side as well. At the rear and the front. Looks really good though. Again, the engines look fantastic. Very nice. The G90s. Wings look great. The antennas, all that is very nice as well. Having those on there. Very nice detail right there on the tail with the horizontal stabilizer. Looks really cool. Looks really good. So yeah, overall, very nice model here. I'll show you the underneath. I don't think there's anything fancy with it though. Apart from more antennas, and then the gear door markings, and then you have a stand, but you don't have anything like any JC wings, logos or anything. Good detail on the bottom of the engines, as well as the undercarriage. For the lights, the gear door markings, I think that's really cool, and so on and so forth. So yeah, just a quick review here, guys, though, of this very nice model. I don't think I've seen one on YouTube. As I said, I was looking at a while back, a couple of weeks ago, and I didn't see anything on it. But honestly, I did not know when this was coming. I kind of thought JC Wings had forgot about making it. So, really happy to finally have this. This will be a good addition to the fleet. And it does fly in and out of LA. So it'll be good to throw in there whenever I ever do get that airport set up in the future. Built-in setup. So yeah, overall guys, great model. Highly recommend it if you can get it. And I should try and get the 767 to go along with it, just so I have, a matching 777 to 76, because I know the 76 does actually fly into LA as well. I don't know, I don't really have the money for that right now, but I'm sure it'll be around in the future again, or someone else will release it apart from JC Wings. But yeah guys, so that being said, there's the model. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review. Stay tuned for more. Take care guys, bye bye.